Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First things first, and as you guys can already tell from the title, today I'm going to be doing the full face using only highlighters challenge. I've been wanting to do this challenge for a while, so I thought to myself, instead of doing the traditional New Year's Eve makeup tutorial, why not go ahead and do this challenge instead? Because let's be honest, now not always, but about 98% of the time, all New Year's Eve, New Year's Day makeup looks have one common denominator in them. Glitter. Or glitter, shimmer, whatever. And in this challenge, I get to put it all over my face. And then for dramatic effect, I decided just to go ahead and go all out and be extra AF. Got a metallic silver background I got on a glittery, shimmery shirt. And of course, we cannot forget our tiara. There is absolutely no purpose in this tiara other than the fact that it is shimmery and it matches my background. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So I'm literally going to be doing my entire face with some kind of highlight or shimmery shade. But obviously I did just go ahead and put my eyebrows in place. So let's get started. So for primer today, I'm going to be going in with the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops. This is in the shade Moonlight. Total Instagram moment happening right here. Well, we almost had it. Not really sure how much I'll need. That's probably too much. Oh my god. Alright, so now that I'm already only one step in and I look like the Tin Man, let's go ahead and move right on into foundation. I'm going to be going in with my Carly Bible palette, and I'm going to be taking this golden brown shimmery shade here, and I'm going to start applying that all over my face. Right, so now that we have this nice natural looking foundation base, I'm going to be going back into the same palette, taking this lighter golden brown shade right here, and I'm going to be using that to just highlight underneath my eyes. You know, just to brighten them up a little bit more, help me look just a little bit more awake. Alright, so now that we are done with that, I'm going to go ahead and start working on our eyes. Taking this same palette, I'm going to be going in with this peachy shimmery shade right here. I'm just going to start applying that into my crease as our transition shade. Alright, next I'm going to be going into this J-Cat Beauty Beverly Hills 90210 palette. There are literally only 3 matte shades in this entire palette. The rest are glitters and shimmers. So with that being said, I'm going to be taking this shimmery shade here, and I'm going to start working that all over my lid. Alright, then I'm just going to go in with this dark shimmery brown right here. I'm just going to use that to deepen up my outer V. Alright, so our eyes are looking just a little bit dull. So I'm actually just going to go in with this icy white shade right here and just start tapping it on the center of my lid. Right, now we can't forget our bottom lash line. So I'm just going to go ahead with this shimmery shade right here. I don't think it's quite dark enough. I'm going to go back in with this dark brown right here. Not too much though, because we are trying to go a little bit on the natural side today. A little bit of that up top as well to bring a little bit of that color back, deepen it up, have a little bit of dimension because we don't want to look too flat, you know. Alright, and really fast off camera, I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyeliner. I don't have anything on hand that I could use for a highlighting eyeliner, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply some regular black eyeliner to my waterline and do a little soft winged moment on the top. Alright, so I done my eyeliner. I also went ahead and applied some mascara and lashes as well, because let's be honest, those are the only things that are saving this look. But anyways, now that our base and our eyes are complete, it's time to move on to the rest of the face. So for bronzer, we're going to be going in with the same palette that I used on my eyes. And I'm going to be taking this brown shimmery shade right here. And God forbid, I hope it's not too dark. But let's go. Okay, we can work with it. We can work with it. Now I'm just going in with the same shade and a smaller brush to highlight my nose. I mean, contour my nose. Although that term wasn't entirely wrong. And then for blush, I'm going to be going in with the same blush palette that I always use. But then in the corner here, it has two little illuminating metallic blushes right here. I'm just going to mix those two together and put it on my cheeks. And next for highlight, I'm going to be going in with this Tarte Make Believe in Yourself palette. And every single shade in here, except that one right there, is a glittery, shimmery highlighter, whatever color. So for my actual highlight on my face today, I'm going to be going in with this white shade right here, smack dab in the middle, and glowing away. As if I'm not already. I'm also going to take that same shade and just highlight the inner corners of my eyes as well. Alright, so now all we have left is our lips and we're done. So first things first, I'm going to be going in with this Maybelline Color Sensational lipstick. This is in the shade Hot Plum. Alright, so that pink with this shirt was just bothering me too much. So what I did was went in with the same eyeshadow palette that I've been using. I went in with a shimmery maroon shade here. And I just kind of dabbed that all over the lips. Just make it match my shirt a little bit more. And then just make my lips look a little bit more plump and pouty. I'm going to go back in with this Tarte palette and grab that white shade. And just dab a little bit of that on the center of my lip. And we're done. Alright guys, that is it. Hope you all enjoyed this subtle New Year's Day makeup tutorial. Obviously guys, these types of challenges are just for fun. I don't recommend wearing this in public. We don't need anyone catching charges for blinding anyone. So let's just leave this in the house. I hope you all had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful 2017. And if not, that's okay too. Because no matter what happened to you within this past year, be thankful. Be thankful for where it brought you. Because where you are right now is where you're meant to be. I absolutely cannot wait to see what 2018 has in store. I'm so excited. Hope you all make the best of it. I am wishing you all peace, love, and laughter throughout the whole entire new year. And I'll see you in the next one.